Hey, what's up everybody? So Windows 12 is going to be releasing June 2024, and the big push for Windows 12 is going to be AI. It's all going to be about AI. Alright, there's even companies that are going to be releasing uh, AI PCs. Alright, PCs that are uh, built with AI in mind. So let's read this article right now. See, this is being reported by many tech outlets out there. We have Tech Power Up, NeoWin, alright, PC World, Tom's Hardware. So let's just read this one. Microsoft is preparing a big update for its Windows 12 OS. Currently at version 11, the company is gearing up for the launch of Windows 12. Alright, which is supposed to bring a monumental shift in the tectonic plates of the regular PC user experience, enhanced by AI. The Windows 12 OS should utilize many features like generative AI, large language models, alright, or LLMs, some GPT integration, and many other tools that could benefit AI. Alright, like photo editors, tools, right? The confirmation for the Windows 12 launch coming in 2024 is sourced from the Taiwanese Commercial Times, which analyzed comments from Barry Lam, the founder and chairman of PC contract manufacturer Quanta, alright, and Junxing Chen or Jason, the chairman and chief executive of Acer. Alright, both of them underscored the importance of AI, and that AI PCs, like I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video, are coming with the next version of Windows. Supposedly, the launch date for Windows 12 is set for June 2024. In the time frame, hardware vendors should roll out their SoCs, socket-on-chip embedding AI processing elements at every silicon block. Alright, Qualcomm is set to debut its Snapdragon Elite X SoCs in mid-2024, aligning with the alleged release schedule of Windows 12, with more players like Nvidia, AMD, and others, and Intel, of course, planning to utilize an ARM instruction set for their next generation PC chips. We expect to see Windows 12 get full-fledged support for ARM ISA and treat it like a first-class citizen in the operating system. So yeah, guys, as you guys remember, I don't know if you keep up with the tech world, but Nvidia is actually making their own processor, their own CPU based on ARM. Alright, Qualcomm did it with Snapdragon Elite X, right? Nvidia's gonna do it. AMD, they make x86. AMD and Intel, they both make x86 processors, and they're gonna have their own, AI ARM, processors, right? It's gonna be really crazy 2024 as far as tech goes, software and hardware. And if you're wondering how many people use Windows 11, here is the desktop market share as of November. So this is last month. Alright, so desktop Windows version market share worldwide from this stat is based on the latest 2023 from last month November, right? So Windows 10, look at this. 68% of users are still on Windows 10 operating system. Alright? The current version, Windows 11, only 26%. 26.66% of users are on Windows 11. So people aren't upgrading. As you can see, Windows 7, 3.16%. Windows 8.1, 1.34%. Windows XP, 0.45%, and Windows 8, 0.29%. So Microsoft is wondering, why aren't people upgrading? So Microsoft thinks that releasing the AI focused operating system it will be like an incentive for people to upgrade. So, what do you guys think, man? You guys think um, Windows 12 and AI is gonna make people want to upgrade? Um, but yeah, I'm just wondering, like, is it like, is everybody gonna be using AI? Does everybody need AI? Like the average person that just wants to buy a laptop for school or work, are they really going to be utilizing generative AI? I mean, maybe. Do they need, will they be doing anything with? Will they be doing anything with LLMs, large language modules? I know ChatGPT can be helpful, but like, you know, what do you guys think, man? I just want to make this video just to make people aware that yeah, Windows 12 is coming, and a lot of people haven't even upgraded to Windows 11. They're still on Windows 10. And even better, here's a Steam hardware survey. Once again, this is from November of this year, right? Steam hardware and software survey. And if you scroll down here, look at this. Remember, Steam is gaming focused, so the people that use Steam are gamers, right? So the most popular operating system is still Windows 10. It is still Windows 10. Um, Windows 11 is climbing. It's getting there, as you can see. As of November, of course, it is at 42%, and the change was 11.51%. So a big change, right? So yeah, gamers need Windows 11 because Windows 11 has a lot of gaming related features, and specifically with DirectX, right? Such as like um, DirectX 12 features, and I forgot what the other one's called. I think like faster direct storage or something. But yeah, gamers need the latest version of Windows because what Microsoft is doing is they're locking out some features from older operating systems. So they're like, hey, are you a gamer? Well, you're gonna need Windows 11. You're gonna need the latest version of Windows because we have these gaming features that are only available on the latest Windows version. So yeah, guys, this video is kind of way too long now. Um, I'm just like randomly talking about stuff. So Windows 12, it's coming, 2024. What do you guys think? Are you still on Windows 10? Are you on Windows 11? Leave a comment. Take care, everyone. Peace.